This YouTube channel is making a huge amount of money by creating simple kids learning videos. They use 2D animations. You can also create similar videos with the help of AI in just a few minutes. In today's video, I will show you how to create a kids learning animated video using AI. First of all, we need a script for our video. To generate the script, we will use Chatgpt and provide the prompt, write a child learning video script about various birds. Chatgpt will generate a captivating YouTube video script with proper instructions about visuals and content. Copy only the host part of the text and paste it into a document file, such as Google Docs. Then, copy the entire script and paste it into the same document file. This completes our first step. In the second step, we will generate the voice for our video using a text-to-speech AI called Credo AI. If you are new to Credo AI, click on Free Trial and create an account with your email and password. Verify your email address after successfully creating the account. Once you're logged in, click on AI Text Dubbing and select your preferred language and voice model. Go back to your document file, copy the first paragraph of your script, and paste it into the Credo AI text box. Click on Audition to hear the output.
Hello there, little explorers. Welcome to our amazing world of birds.
Again, go back to Doc File and copy the second paragraph and paste into Credo AI text box. After listening the output, click on Confirm. Do it again and again until you don't convert all the paragraph of your script. Download all the audio files in ascending order. This completes our voice generation step. For animation, we will use Adobe Express, a free AI animation tool. Once you are in Adobe Express, click on Make Animation for YouTube. Select a funny character for your video since we are targeting children, and funny characters keep them engaged. After selecting the character, click on Background and choose a custom color. Then, select the video size as YouTube video size. Now, upload your first audio clip or simply drag and drop it into the designated area. Adobe Express will take some time to generate the animated character with our audio. Click on Download to save the video. After downloading the video, click on Back to Editing, followed by Replace Audio. Select the character, change the background if needed, and upload the second audio clip. Repeat this process for all the audio clips. We will use Canva to create animated footage for our video. Click on Video and select YouTube Video. Upload all the animated videos generated by Adobe Express. After uploading the animated videos, click on Elements and search for Forest Background. Select a suitable background image and adjust it to the video size. Now go back to the Elements section and add some animated trees to make the video more visually appealing. Search for animated trees, select them, and position them in the background image according to your preferences. Once everything looks beautiful, download the background image. Now, go back to the Google Docs document and find the first bird mentioned in our script, which is a peacock. Return to Canva, search for a peacock in the Elements section, select a suitable image, and adjust its size. Here comes the amazing feature of Canva. Click on Animate, then select Create an Animation. Drag the peacock to the desired position, and you will see the peacock moving around in the background. Download the video after making these adjustments, and add the second bird mentioned in the script, which is a parrot. Repeat this process for all the birds mentioned in the script and download the videos accordingly. You can use any video editing software of your choice. Import all the animated videos and background videos into the software. Insert the first background video in the video layer 1 and the first animated video into video layer 2. Select video layer 2 and enable the chroma key function in your editing software. Adjust the animated character's position according to the background. For the second animation, where no bird is mentioned, you can use the same background. Insert the second animated video on layer 2, enable chroma key, and adjust the character's position. Adjust the length of the background layer to match the duration of the animated layer. Repeat this process for the remaining animated videos. Once the editing process is complete, click on the Export button to export the final product.
Hello there, little explorers. Welcome to our amazing world of birds. Today, we're going to embark on an exciting journey to learn all about these fascinating creatures that soar through the skies. Let us discover some of the incredible birds together. Our first bird friend is the peacock. Look at those vibrant feathers.